Aragón Visual is the key tool to make the work of towbar and electronic kit fitters easier. Simply by being a customer of Enganches Aragón and registering on our website, you will have access to more than 400 installation videos for all types of vehicles. With these videos, you will be able to significantly reduce the installation time for towbars and electronic kits, as well as greatly shorten the training time for new employees in your workshop. The videos show, in every detail, everything from how to remove the bumper, where to place the control unit, or how to route the cable from the rear to the front of the vehicle, as well as all sorts of professional tips and tricks that will make your day-to-day work in the workshop easier. The videos are narrated in Spanish and also subtitled in 4 languages: English, French, German, and Italian. What's more, they are also divided into chapters, so you can go straight to the part where you have questions or have got stuck. Aragón Visual, the best support for towbar and electronic kit installers.